Good evening, I'm Dick Keene for Biology 251, and we're doing the final of three videos for the pig dissection. And I'll show you my area, and then we'll get into it. As you can see here, just have the sheets for the terms. Make sure I hit everything. There's nothing over here. I'll show you. There's nothing going on. And as I always do, underneath. Nothing going on here either. So, without further ado, I will put you back on here. We'll focus down on the on our female pig here, and I do have a female pig, so I will obviously be going through the female parts. So first we have our kidneys. There's one right here, as you can see where I'm pointing. There's also one on the other side in the same location. This is the one we'll show since we're on this side. Then we have, coming from it, the adrenal gland on the top kind of portion. So my finger's tucking away the kidney, and then right in here is the adrenal gland, not attached on the fetal pig. Like I thought it would, like it is on us. And then we have the ureters, so we'll pull one of these up. You can see that I'm pulling it up. This is coming from the kidney itself, and that is tracing down to the urinary bladder, which I will turn is this center portion right here. That is the urinary bladder. And then coming off the back of it, you can see right here is this. Sorry, get my finger out of the way. This tube right here, feeding in, it'll feed in towards the body. That is the urethra. So then going back to the kidney, hopefully we can see. So we have on the outer portion, inside, but still outer of the inside, is the outer cortex right here. Then this feeds into these little blocky-like shapes that are kind of notched on top of the inner renal pelvis, which feeds towards the middle, where the veins, arteries, and ureters originate in the kidney. So then moving on, we will have the esophagus, which is, I am actually going to just grab it. It'll be alright. So let's make sure I have you in the right spot. So right here next to the trachea, we have the esophagus. If I can get it up right there. You can see what I'm pulling on. Sorry, you are not. Back for a little focus. Right here on top of my little probe is the esophagus. And then we have the liver here, the 4 different lobes. And then my little piggy did not go to the market and get a gallbladder. As you can see, there is no gallbladder. I saw that it was supposed to be next here to this umbilical vein. Don't see it. I've not been able to find it. Didn't cut it out. Obviously, it's been protected by the liver. It's not there. And then we have so I will peel to the right. We have our stomach here with the probe pointing at it and touching it right there. With the spleen, it's kind of peeled back right here. But this is the spleen down here that kind of lays on that long edge of the stomach. So then coming over to where the stomach goes into or small intestine connects, we have our duodenum, the the ileum, and then jejunum, and the rest of the small intestine. And then I got the spleen. We'll get the large intestine while I peel over to the pancreas. So as you can see, I've kind of peeled back. There's this portion right here. There's just a separate little kind of peritoneum or whatever it is. In case this is the large intestine here. Then we're going under the stomach. There is this granular structure. So you can see here at the top of the camera, this is the stomach. This area down here, this is the pancreas. And making sure I didn't miss anything. Got esophagus. And okay, and then so on the female parts. So this will be tricky with holding. So we have right here, as you can see, I'm kind of peeling it apart. The labia right here, just there's the tail, the anus, and then the labia, and then in the opening right there that I've kind of separated using my probe, inside is the actual vagina, which then will give you the top view here. So going past the urinary bladder, where my probe is kind of feeding in, I'll feed it in there, and then so that is where the cervix, and then this feeds, sorry, let me get this up. We have the uterine body, this little coiled area, and this feeds into, if you can see this fallopian tube sitting on top right here that I'm poking. That part is a fallopian tube, and then this little pink right there, that's at the tip of the uterus, and then that is the ovaries. That is the ovaries. And this will conclude the end of it. Thank you.